need your thoughts.
On what?
FP1.
Yeah, it's alright. Everyone put a new tyre in at the end, but we ran the same tyre the full race and didn't really drop off pace too much, so should be alright in the race, but I don't know. Probably just spin some more laps. I think we're not far off, so put a new front tyre in now actually.
What about rear?
Yeah, we'll put a new rear in now. Just the one rear for the session now.
Why not two?
I think we're on stickers now.
What does that mean?
Tyre stickers. This morning we weren't on tyre stickers.
Why?
So, you never on F1.
Oh.
It's just free practice 2 and qualifying in the race. Where's my water?
If you put gold wheels on for qualifying, gold wheels half a second a lap. I'll play the Fireblade.
Josh, look at me.
Why don't you like it? Why?
Want a picture with it? I'll come in and have a picture.
We've already sold it.
What do you think? What's up with it, Ian?
Well, hang on. It looks about the same.
Let's see.
It's like yeah. It's like, in fact, I think one's had more rubbing, but yeah, I think that's obviously being a MotoGP tyre technician. I know that is slightly beyond grip.
No grip then.
No grip, and I suspect that you probably can't sell that to a track day person.
No reckon?
Well, you probably could, but I wouldn't because I have morals. In fact, it's actually not so bad this side. You can't turn these around, can you? So that's not.
Just stick some more rubber on that side.
You could remold it. You just glue something on, couldn't you? Like maybe like a bit of rubber thing, but no, I think it's fine.
The bottom of a crock.
I don't know. Or the bottom of the Contis would like refit it, wouldn't they?
Oh, your Contis are looking just a skinhead.
Yeah, there you go.
Been running in them.
I could, but I don't want to make you look bad again after beating you on the plank challenge. Well, keep down. No, he gave up.
I gave up.
Ian's a winner!
Well done, Ian. You wanted a bit more than me.
All I said, if you can do that when you're 60, you've actually done some exercise. Look after yourself.
Show them the muscle. Show them the muscle. No, this one.
Oh, this is knackered, isn't it?
No, yeah, show them that one.
Sorry. So I did that with a ruptured bicep. A pensioner on the plank challenge.
I just gave up for. He's not.
Oh, you got bored. That was it. That was it. Yeah. After like 2.5 hours. Do you reckon? You reckon? I reckon big felly. No lecky. No lecky. You're gonna have to say go, Ellie.
Go.
There you go.
Whilst I'm sorting my helmet out after Friday, Thruxton, speak to you guys. So, Friday done, probably our best Friday in a while. I feel like this year's been sort of very up and down, bit of bad luck and stuff like that, but no, it's Thruxton being I always normally go or like it here, but straight away we've seen to have had decent pace from the get-go. Had decent pace from the get-go. Main thing here is to be consistent, and we seem to be consistent, so when the tyre drops at the end of the session, feels like we've got still a fair amount of pace, so yeah, not so bad. Feel like we're going well. Good qualifying tomorrow, early on in the morning, about 9:30 I think it is, something like that, and then a race, so good to have 2 races in a weekend, that's good. Like I say, seem to have decent race pace on the tyre, so not all about one lap wonders here at Thruxton, it's about being able to string a load together even on a tyre and save it, so we shall see. But that's it. I prepped my helmet the night before from out early, so he's doing it in the day, it's been on the dryer, all ready to go, and yeah, should be good. See you in qualifying. He's going to sit and follow.
We'll be here in about 3 hours anyway again.
What are you saying? How nervous are you?
run winner. Here he comes, big smile on his face. Josh Owens, what a performance. It looked like from lap 10 onwards you thought, right, now's my time. This is it, I need to check out. And sure enough, you did.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, at the start, I was like, I'll sit with Mika Checks. I thought he's going to sort of be my competitor, really, in that race. And I sat there, then Wardy came, and I was like, don't want to let him go too far, just in case. And then before you do it, True came past and whatnot, so I was like, right, I'm not getting stuck behind everyone. I'm going to just get to the front and just see what happens. And that was around probably the right time, really. So, yeah, pretty happy. Bikes felt really good all weekend, but I don't know whether today's a little bit hotter or something, but felt like sliding a little bit more than what I have been this weekend. I don't know whether me trying to manage the tyre and playing with it too much or something, so we need to have a little look and see if we can do a rerun tomorrow. But all in all, it was a good race and enjoyed it, so it's good.
Absolutely fantastic performance, Josh. Well done.
Cheers, thank you. And
We're more exhilarated than the race.
The dance contest.
I say we're gonna have so neat.
it is Sunday morning. We've had race 1. Took the win. Pretty stoked on that. A little tired, so not very energetic. Yeah, took the race. Win in race 1 yesterday. Qualified in pole. Took the win. Dream day, really. Not a bad day in the office. Felt like in the second race the track temperature was a little bit hotter. Well, it was hotter, and sort of caused a few little issues that we haven't had this weekend so far. So some little things to work on. But today the race is much earlier. I think we're racing at like 12 or something like that today. So track won't be quite as hot as yesterday. So some of them problems may not be as much as an occurrence. So we'll have to just see. I think there's going to be some people a little bit stronger at the end of this race than yesterday, but I felt like I was stronger in qualifying on the used tyre, but yesterday just in the race couldn't seem to make it work, so we'll have to see. Yeah, here's what it is. Nice to get a win, see if we can make it another one today. But yeah, all in all, not a bad weekend so far. I mean, even if we get on the box, I'll be pretty stoked. So yeah, we'll get out there and get some racing done. Hopefully I'll wake up because I'm pretty tired. Got a black coffee waiting for me there, and Sean's on ready to go. He's having a good weekend so far. He's faster than what he has been around here before last year. Last year, every time he went out, he crashed basically. So yeah, he's made a good step, and yeah, he's not far off, I think. And then yesterday he was 20th in the race. But main thing for Sean was he was in the group, he was battling, and he was getting stuck in. So on that note, have some porridge and I'll see you in a bit.
Hot twist, he's not in there.
He was like that too, like coming out and he's still shitting.
Oh, I can't take this getting up early.
Oh my god, that's not my.
Just finished up here at Thruxton now. Bit of a not as good day. I didn't quite get the start I needed. I ended up going back to 10th, and then sort of was jumping further back. Well, went to 10th and just was like, do I use all my tyre or what and try and get to the front, but I didn't know what to do. Ended up sitting in there, got my way up to 3rd, and then unfortunately just on the last lap I was trying to get into 2nd past Allingham, but Ward came out of nowhere and just dive bombed me and sent me running across the chicane, and I had to sit up, finished 6th in the end. So not ideal, but it is what it is, racing, and yeah, we'll move forward and move on. Look forward to getting to Cadwell, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. I think, you know, try and get out on the bike in between and at Cadwell, get some laps and get me iron, and yeah, go from there. Just late one getting home tonight because Ricky's race was at the end of the day, and obviously stayed behind him around, so gonna finish packing up, get everything sorted, and then head on the road to back home, Liverpool. Ricky had a good race, got in with the pack. There was about 5 of them racing together, and for sure it was good to see him battling with everyone and got his way to the front of that pack. So yeah, we're gaining some momentum and we'll go from there. See you in a bit.